Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are going to be unboxing the Sew Sampler December 2022. That's not the right order. Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we're going to be unboxing the 2022 December Sew Sampler box. So I know this unboxing is a little bit late. I did get my box a little bit ago, but I kind of took a break for the holidays, so we're just diving right into the new year with an unboxing. The theme for this month's box is Joy in the Journey. There is also a coupon code on the back for 30% off fabric and a free Olfa endurance blade. So don't throw this insert out. You're going to want to grab that free blade. Now, if you're new to Sew Sampler boxes, they're monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes. They have fabric, patterns, and all kinds of notions in them. I really like them. They're at a great price point, and they always have kind of the newest, latest, and greatest things in them. So let's go ahead and just take a look. Let's start off with block number 9 in the Bliss Quilt Along. This is a monthly series, so if you are getting the Sew Sampler quilt blocks, you get a pattern each month for a different quilt block. These ones were designed by Joanna Figueroa. And then at the end of getting all 12 months worth of boxes, you will get finishing instructions on how to put all of those blocks together. I think they also have a backing kit, so you can check that. And if you didn't get the boxes, but you like these patterns, they are available on the Fat Quarter Shop website for $4.98. And I'm stacking all mine up. I will be putting them in a bundle, and once I get all 12, I will be bundling them up and giving them away to one of you. So we're gonna just start off with this little guy. This is an Olfa magnetic touch knife. This retails for $3.24, and it said it's often called the handiest little knife in the world. The Olfa knife is just that. It's small enough to fit in your project bag or sewing drawer and features a secure blade lock. Small and sleek, it works perfectly to clip threads as well as open Sew Sampler packages. You will receive it in either green or white. If you push it all the way out, it does stay. It's like a little X-Acto knife, and then when you push it back, it just snaps back in place. So it's got almost like a little spring in there that snaps it back in place. So that's really cute. It's nice and secure right here, so you're not gonna cut yourself. And yeah, it might be kind of nice. I'm not sure why I'd keep it in my sewing bag. Probably keep it in my sewing room. Might be good for just trimming apart little threads, like if you chain piece. I don't know. What do you guys think you would use this for? The next thing in our box is this magnetic pin caddy, and I have recently seen this on, I think maybe it was on the Fat Quarter Shop website. This retails for $8.98, and it says this pin caddy is attractive in more ways than one. Fitted with a strong magnet, it's cute and useful to keep your pins in check next to your sewing machine. This adorable aqua notion also features a compartment for storing pins and is printed with the Fat Quarter Shop logo. Okay, this is supposed to open or maybe even slide out. Oh, got it. Ha. It slides out and then it opens up so you can store your pins in here. So you can store all your little pins in there and then slide it back in. Mine is pretty tight. Maybe the more you do it, the easier that is. And then this side is your magnetic pin side, so you can, you know, use your pins if you're like at a sewing retreat or something like that, and then safely put them back in here and toss it in your bag. That way you don't have pins just out in your bag. Even if they're on a magnet, they would, you know, kind of go everywhere. So I actually really like this little notion. You know, I mean, that was a little bit easier. Mine is definitely tight. I think maybe the more you do it, you know, maybe the easier it'll be. So anyways, cute. I kind of like this. Yeah, I'm on board on this one. The next thing we have in here are the Sassy Sings iron-on labels. These retail for $13.48. It says, let your gifts and sewing gifts be as sassy as you are, featuring 100 snarky designs you can stitch, color, or paint. These customizable iron-on labels add personality and pizzazz to all of your handmade projects. There's just a bunch of different little ones in here. Looks like you can just iron them on, you can paint them, you can stitch on them. Interesting. I bled for this. They're pretty. There's a couple of funny ones in here. So it's a whole little booklet of all of these different labels that you can add to your handmade projects. All right, let's take a look at this month's quilt pattern. This is called the Trailblazer quilt pattern. This is available at Fat Quarter Shop for $9.98, and it says, find new creative paths with the Trailblazer quilt. This charm pack friendly design is great for beginners with a playfully modern composition. Try it out with the 2 charm packs included in this month's box. This one finishes at 54 by 54, and it does have information on what you need on the back of the pattern. Fat Quarter Shop's patterns are historically pretty good as far as colorful illustrations, assembly, and they're pretty easy to follow. So if you're a beginner quilter, this box and usually all of their patterns are really beginner friendly. Here is the fabric that came in this month's box. You are getting 2 charm packs. These are the Fisherman's Bend charm packs by Violet Craft. They retail for $22.96 for total for both of them. It says, cast your net into a new pool of inspiration from Violet Craft. Her collection of Fisherman Bend for Robert Kaufman fabrics draws from a love of nature. Fish, birds, and other winged creatures fit harmoniously through these prints. In refreshing tones of blue, green, purple, pink, and coral. Embellished with modern basics, you can dip into the full line with 2 Fisherman's Bend charm packs. And we'll just do kind of a close-up here so you can sort of see the general color palettes that are available. These are really bright, springy colors. I will say that these aren't exactly my wheelhouse, so I am actually going to be giving these away at the end of this video, so make sure to stay tuned and I'll give you all of that information. But let's go ahead and finish looking at this little pack. The other thing it came with is this little bonus item, and it's a $4.99 value. It's a Fat Quarter Shop box exclusive, and this is a Ruby Star Society enamel zipper pull. This is adorable. I am definitely going to be using this on a bag, or also it has a claw clip, so this would actually really be a cute stitch marker if you're a knitter as well. Little pair of scissors, so kind of fun to have a little add-on bonus item, isn't it? So that's going to be it for today's video. I am going to be giving away both charm packs and the pattern for one of you. In order to enter to win, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and then leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite item from this month's box was. I will pick a winner from the comments below and get that prize shipped out to you. My favorite item in this month's box is actually this pin case. I think it's going to be really handy for sewing on the go, or even just being able to throw this in my bag and not worrying about my pins going everywhere. Let me know, like I said, in the comments below what your favorite item was. I did add up all the contents of this month's box. The total value is $63.62, which is really good. The boxes, I think, are $25.95. I think they did go up this year, but still a really good price for all of the value that you get. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to enter to win the giveaway below. I will be picking a winner here on YouTube and then shipping that prize out to you. That's going to be it for today's video. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we are going to be unboxing the Sew Sampler December 2022. That's not the right order. December. Fat Quarter Shop, if you're watching this, I would love for you guys to include a total for your boxes. 22. So we're going to just start with throwing stuff. I received the white. So this little bit right here, so this little thing right here, how does it work? How does it work? I can't get mine to work. Mine's broken. There's got to be a way.